Hello there, lovely viewers. Today, I am beyond excited to introduce to you the ultimate solution to all your laundry problems, the full automatic washer machine. If you're tired of spending hours doing your laundry, this is the perfect product for you. With 10 different wash programs and 5 water level selections, this portable washing machine is incredibly easy to operate and multifunctional. It even comes with a LED display on the control panel, making it a breeze to keep track of your laundry cycles. Plus, the built-in drain pump and quick connect adapter kit make it super easy to set up and get started. Not only is this appliance incredibly convenient, but it is also extremely energy saving. The high-efficiency motor allows you to choose from 5 different water levels, ultimately saving up to 85% energy consumption compared to similar models. Let's not forget the portable and space-saving design, with 2 wheels and 2 handles for easy transit, and a compact size that is perfect for RVs, dorms, apartments, camping, and more. It's the perfect option for those with limited space. But wait, it gets even better. The full automatic washer machine is equipped with auto unbalance detection, Australian dollars, so you can say goodbye to violent vibrations caused by unevenly placed laundry. Plus, the adjustable foot ensures that the machine can adapt to all kinds of uneven ground, making it incredibly stable and safe to use. And last but not least, our professional after-sales team is here to support you every step of the way. If you have any queries or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here for you 24/7. So, what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to the hassle of laundry and make the smart choice by investing in the full automatic washer machine. You won't regret it. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing product. Don't miss out. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing products and reviews. Thank you for watching.